YouTube automation is a money-making machine and it's too good to be true. You've probably got a little kitty in your household that's obsessed with kids, nursery rhyme songs, or you have just got interest in creating kids, animation videos, but just don't know how to get started. Whatever that reason is, you have made a great decision because the educational niche for kids are incredibly lucrative. So I've got some tea for y'all, because I'm going to reveal to you how all this popular kids educational videos actually go about making their videos. And just to let y'all in on a little secret, no, you don't need a college degree or to be a master graphic designer to do all of this, because all of this can be leveraged through the power of new AI tools constantly hitting the market. Creating high-quality content for kids has never become this much easier, and videos like this have high retention rate, and that's because kids love watching the same video over and over again. And a good example would be this channel called OK Dokie TV, which is currently blowing up right now at the time of recording. They have only started 1 month ago, yet they are still pulling in serious number of views with their most viewed video, nearly having around 150,000 views, and the channel has only uploaded less than 20 videos, and are already hitting the minimum subscription requirement of 500 subscribers for monetization. If you didn't know, YouTube has reduced the threshold for the amount of subscribers needed to be accepted in their partner program, being 500 subscribers, 3,000 public watch hours in the previous 12 months, or 3 million public YouTube Shorts views in the last 90 days. I've already done the research, and this channel's estimated revenue to be obtained is around $600,000 in ad revenue. And that's very impressive for a channel that just recently started. Quickly, here's a short clip of how the videos actually looks like.
A is for apple, so shiny and red. B is for ball, we bounce high overhead. C is for cat with a purr and a meow. D is for dog who loves to bark loud. A, B, C, come sing with me. Learning letters, oh so fun to see. From A to Z, we'll know them all. Come along, let's have a ball.
Now, listen, if you can just give me a chance, I will show you how you can start your own kids' YouTube automation channel, even if you're a complete beginner. Okay, just to summarize this video, we are going to discover hot topics for kids, videos, create an opening scene, generate AI songs for kids using free AI tools, introduce you to 3 free AI tools to create awesome videos, and edit the video on one of the trending ideas. Plus, at the end of the video, I'll share a secret strategy using an AI tool that can help you significantly increase your viewership, so you will be able to monetize your channel with your first video uploaded. So don't skip a single part in this. Timestamps are provided below for your own connivance, so with all that said, let's get it. Step 1. Ideation. Now we need to brainstorm some topics for the video, so what I'm going to teach you now is something that I teach people every time when trying to get a topic, regardless of the niche. This is something that I've learned from buying courses from the best YouTubers to exist. But anyways, for this we will be using ChatGPT, and no, we won't be using those generic prompts like, write me 10 educational kids video ideas. While that can also work, let's be honest, we want topics that will actually go viral. So for this, I have an even better prompt for y'all, so just click the link in the description down below. That will take y'all to my Google Docs where I have really long prompt for us that will actually generate topics for us that actually go viral. So copy the first prompt, then paste it in ChatGPT. Now as you can see, it's asking you, could you please provide the niche or category for which you are interested in analyzing YouTube video performance? So to do this, we will need a channel. I suggest you finding a channel that's relatively new and gets a ton of views. A good example of this would be the OK Dokie TV channel that I talked about earlier. You don't have to pick the same channel as me, but anyways, on their channel filter their videos by most popular, then copy all their titles like how I did. Now go back to ChatGPT and paste all the title and hit enter so it can start analyzing the title and data for us. Now this is the interesting part. ChatGPT will provide you with great insights like your competitor, top 3, most viewed videos, reformatted and organized data, patterns in top-performing videos, and it will even give you suggested topics based on patterns. It will give you plenty of ideas that you could work with for your own channel. It will even score the videos, letting you know the chances of it going viral. So the potential of this going viral is really high. But anyways, if you don't like this method, another smart method is to use YouTube to find trending educational topics for kids on YouTube. Search for kids, educational videos, and then filter by most views. Then this month from there, just scroll through each channel and try looking for a channel without the check mark next to it. Pay particular attention to smaller channels with popular videos that have gained a lot of views in a short time. Let's quickly take a look at a few channels. After scrolling for a few minutes, I found some really surprising results. For example, this channel, Baby Yo-Yo World, only started 3 months ago, yet most videos surpassing 100,000 views and has 71,000 subscribers. And this channel, Go Boo Boo, even though it's quite bigger, Thief only started a year ago. But still, it's amazing how well they're doing with this easy to make videos. This just shows that there's a lot of potential for getting millions of views on kids content. But anyways, you will need to make a list of all the popular videos from the channels that we just scrolled through on a new Google document. I've already made a list. You can find this in the link I provided down below. Feel free to use it. Whatever method you pick, your video will still go viral. So from my list, I decided to go with this one, ABC Fun Song to Learning Learning Alphabet for Kids Song Educational. Now I know most of y'all might be thinking, isn't there already plenty of ABCD videos out there? Well, there is, so how must y'all's one stand out? Well, it's pretty simple. There is two sides to making a viral video. One is first mover's advantage, meaning you can be first to a topic or niche and still have bad video quality. And second is making high quality videos in topic that have interest. So we going to use the second method because, let's be honest, there's nothing really new in the kids education niche anyways. Everything is so repetitive. Moving on to step 2. Now that I have a list of trending ideas, I will use ChatGPT and write the following prompt. Please write me all the alphabets in order, with each letter introducing a unique object. The content is for kids, so use simple, easy word to describe the objects again. Feel free to use any prompt shared in this video, okay? Now we need an opening, so again on ChatGPT. Ask it this. Please give me an opening for a kids video that is about ABC fun. Song to learning alphabet for kids. Song educational. Then hit enter. If you're not happy with the result, you could also try out Gemini. You can just simply paste our prompt here and hit enter. You could just compare from the two and pick from the one you like. Once you have decided, now we will be using Canva to create the opening scene. Canva is a graphic design platform that provides tools for creating social media graphics, presentations, promotional merchandise, and websites. If you don't have a Canva account yet, you can use the link in the description to create a free account on their homepage. Click on videos, then pick YouTube videos from there. Just click on elements, then search for something like letter A, alphabet eyes, click on graphic, then I recommend you pick this one. It's really cool, so add 2 letters A and B, but that's not it because now we have to give it some body parts. So again, under elements, search for cartoon feet. Then hit enter, click graphics, then pick this feet. Now we need to make it face the same direction. So crop it, then duplicate it. Like how I did. Now search for cartoon arms and pick this one from there. Just place it next to the letter, then duplicate it. Then click on flip, appear like this, and click on horizontal flip. Do the same for the other letter, then you can change the color if you like. Anyways, now we need to animate those characters. So for that, first click on share, then download the images as PNG from there. Go to a website called Animated Drawing. Bring your drawings to life with the project's web-based interface and command line implementation on their homepage. Click on Try It Now from there. Click on Upload Image, then select the image that we downloaded from Canva. Once you're done, click Next. It will start scanning your images once, then you can arrange this according to what you want. Then click Next from there. You will be provided with a pen and eraser to make adjustment to areas that aren't selected or to deselect an area, like how I did once done. Click Next and Next again. Now from there, you will be given hundreds of different animations you could pick from. I'm going to pick this one where he waves, as you can see. This is how it would look now. Once that done, click on the bottom right of the preview, so it can extend the video. Now just click on the 3 dots here, then download, repeat the process for your other letter, then let's head back over to Canva. Again, select YouTube videos, then search for something like cartoon background or school background, click graphic and pick a background of your style. There's plenty that you could pick from, even if you don't have Canva Pro. So I chose this one. Feel free to add whatever you like. For example, texts, effects, anything, just be creative with it and make sure to keep it bold and colorful since it is a kid's video. So moving on to step 3 now, we need to create a song using AI to make our opening extra engaging. So for this, we will be using Suno AI. Suno AI. Suno AI is the website for creating AI music. Free explore. Suno AI Me for the revolutionary music AI generator. So this is their landing page. Create a free account if you haven't already. Under lyrics, go copy the opening that Gemini has generated for us, then paste it here once done. You can pick the type of style the music should be in. So since this is a kid's song you can write something like folk or whatever. From there, you need to give your song a title. So I will give it ABC Song Adventure to be my title for the voice. You can just keep it on random. Now click generate and let the magic happen, and there you have it. Mine's is done. You go ahead and listen to them. I already listened to mine. Let's have a quick listen.
Hey there, superstars! Are you ready for a super fun adventure? Let's learn our ABCs together. Get ready to sing, dance, and laugh as we explore the amazing world of letters.
Hey there, superstars! Are you ready for a super fun adventure? Let's learn our ABCs together. Get ready to sing, dance, and laugh as we explore the amazing world of letters.
Seriously? I'm impressed with what AI is doing. So anyways, download your music tracks and keep that safe now. Head back over to Canva under Elements, search for something like Happy Intro Music. Listen to a pick, the one of your choice, and drag it to Timeline. Now upload your music that we generated from Suno, then search for Alphabet's background. Now pick any background of your choice. Pick one that you like and matches the length of your music, right? Click on the video and set it as background. Next, step 4. Visuals. Now, with so many different AI video and image generators out there, it's so difficult to decide on one. So for this one, I will share with y'all 3 different powerful tools that we can use to get the images, being Pexels, Pika, and Lumalabs. That way you can decide which one fits you best. So first of, let's start with Pika. Pika is the idea to video platform that sets your creativity in motion AI video for people who want to create what's in their heads on their homepage. Click on Try Pika. Create your free account. If you haven't already, then you should land on a page like mine. Now describe your story by writing a prompt down here below. For instance, I will write bouncing colorful balls, then click generate, then just wait a moment. As you can see, it has generated an awesome video that we can use for our videos anyways. Below the video, you are given options to retry if you would like a different result. Reprompt, edit. If you like to edit your text prompt, add more seconds to the video and upscale so that for this one now, let's have a look at Lumalabs. Lumalabs Dream Machine is an AI model that makes high quality, realistic videos fast from text and images. It is a highly scalable and efficient transformer model. On their homepage, click on Try Now. Sign in to create your account. Then let's get cooking on the landing page. It will looking something like this. Enter your prompt in, for example, jumping castle. Though it might take longer compared to the others, but it's definitely worth it. Just take a look at what it's generated for me. But anyways, now Pexels. Even though it's not an AI generator, it's still a really cool place. Pexels is a free stock photos and videos you can use everywhere. Browse millions of high-quality royalty-free stock images and copyright-free pictures. On their landing page, search for something like cat, then filter the search by video or image according to your specific requirements, then hit enter now. As you can see, we are given hundreds, if not thousands, of different videos we could pick from. Pick the ones you like, pick the download size you would like. So now that I've shown you all the different options, you can now pick which one you would use from the 3. So anyways, check your list of things to download, and let's move on to the final step. Step 5, editing. So for this, I will be using Capcut. So open up Capcut on your device, then click on Start a New Project. Go to the settings and set the aspect ratio to 16:9, as that is YouTube standard format. Now let's import our videos, images, music, and whatsoever. Now I'll click on the plus to add my opening scene to the timeline. I'll drag the playhead to the end of the clip. Next, I will add the images according to the music. The parts where it mentions apple, I will add my apple, and at the parts it says balls, I will add my ball video, and so on and so on. Also, do trim any silence in the audio. To do this, just click on B on your keyboard, then trim the silent parts of the video, then click delete. Do this for the rest of the audio. When I click on the video, a menu will appear on the right side. I'll tap speed to slow down or speed up the video to match the length of the video. From there, just listen to the audio so you can know the duration for every clip. Just some basic things like that. Added some color grading, pacing, and sound effects for engagement this way. Viewer will watch your video longer, so you can actually use Capcut's built-in sound effect feature. Just search for the sound you're looking for, then drag it to your timeline. Kids love sound effects, so add as many as you can throughout the video. That ways your average view duration will be higher. So anyways, once done, just export your video, and well done, your video can be published. Anyways, as promised, I'm going to show you how your videos can get more views using my special AI tool. Clap copy the link of your video and paste here, then hit enter. So now Clap will create short clips of your videos that you can use to upload to other social media platform, so you can increase your awareness and lead people to your videos. So, well done actually, if you have made it this far in the video, and I can promise you with consistency and determination, your videos will surely go viral and you will come back thanking me. But anyways, till next time, bye.